Hi, my name is Mark Cavens, Product Manager for Windows here at Mobileiron. In the next few minutes, we'll talk about how EMM has taken center stage in the new Windows 10 world and brought a simplified modern approach to IT organizations, while reducing TCO, heightening security, and increasing efficiency. Mobileiron Bridge extends the power and simplicity of EMM to the desktop, allowing IT to secure and manage PCs easily, all over the air, without giving up the granular management of traditional tools. Let's see how this all comes together. In high-touch PC management, there are multiple steps that are required in order to secure the device. The first step is capturing the golden copy, or what is traditionally known as an image in the PC world. This often takes multiple people working within a group to manage the OS and manage the patches and updates that are needed for the OS, as well as the installed programs that will be contained in the image. The next is the configuration templates, the ability to lock down the device and to give all of the different agents that will be installed onto the device. The next step is adding the device into the Windows domain and then securing the network boot, and then at that point, there will be a rinse and repeat depending on how old the image is for the device. And again, with each step, there is also the multi-hands that will have to touch this device. With this approach, it requires multiple team members working with the device before a user ever starts their own work on it. Think of the hours and productivity that is lost in this particular approach. EMM delivers low-touch PC management with a simplified one-touch PC process. By entering your username and password, a user will begin to get the configurations that they need, the applications that are required for them to do their work, the email that they will need to communicate with others within the organization, all while getting the security and lockdown of the device that is needed in order for the IT staff to be secure with that device. Users can be productive in minutes instead of days. All of their settings are delivered over the air, and it expands the universe of users under management with Windows 10. You can see users such as the BYOD devices, devices that fall outside of the domain and will never be a part of it, as well as contract and temporary workers, all having the same level of security as those that are within the traditional domain. With Mobileiron, you can set your security and lockdown policies. Configure, set up, and deploy applications from the Mobileiron store. Set additional security and access controls, all with the knowledge that this can be delivered over the air. But there are gaps in the EMM-centric model. The ability to push GPOs versus EMM policies, ability to edit and manage the registry, as well as push enterprise apps that are not either MSI wrapped or the modern universal Windows 10 applications, and the ability to view and affect the file system. This is where we'd like to introduce Mobileiron Bridge. With Mobileiron and Bridge, admins can now add additional configurations for traditional desktop management using scripts to push to the Windows 10 devices. We now extend the granular functionality of Windows 10 with the capabilities of EMM and scripting that admins have come to use today. We can now initiate thousands of scripts that can address the gap between modern and traditional PC tools. It enables EMM to secure and manage all Windows 10 devices, delivers greater PC security and management agility. It also lowers PC management and operational costs. With Bridge, we extend application deployment beyond that of the traditional MSI wrapped Win32 applications and the modern Windows 10 Universal applications to include the traditional Windows 32 application and allow all of the applications to be deployed through our enterprise app store. All of these configurations allow the Windows 10 device to receive the instructions, capabilities, and security that is needed for the modern IT admin. With Bridge and Mobileiron, IT admins can feel secure knowing that all of the applications, security measures, and configurations that are needed for a user will be effectively pushed over the air to a Windows 10 device. With Mobileiron Bridge, IT organizations can now extend the modern and simplified EMM approach to PC management while allowing organizations to enjoy the granular management of PCs that only traditional tools have offered until now. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos on Mobileiron Bridge.